Hey dreamers, welcome back, and today we're gonna experiment with my hair.
That's just a failed experiment.
As you can see, it's jet black, natural as much as you can see, and now I'm trying to think of going global, and that too I'm going to try on myself, and I'm going to have my sister to just help me out. So let's see how that goes and hope it turns out good. So I got the hair color from Paradise. This is the Hazel 5.0 and it says no bleach, which is why I thought why not try. Ingredients have a lot of natural concept, which is something interesting for me because I'm really nervous about coloring global with chemical. Already I have hair fall because of this weather, and I think this might be safe. If it turns out good, then I can think about the permanent, but for now let's go with this. The Paradise box comes with all the necessity. As you can see, there is a brush, there's a developer, there's a cream and conditioner and something in addition which they have sent. So this is the instruction manual, the cream and the developer, with addition a conditioner, classic conditioner provided. And as well as this is something new, they have this use after 2 weeks, so this helps the color to stay for a little longer than expected, I believe. And let's try it.
Spice and everything nice, but Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction, Chemical X.
Finally, the hair color looks something like this within 1 month. This is 1 month time. I did not show just after my wash is because I messed it up big time. I did not know how to color my hair. First and foremostly, I colored on the top and it ended up to be gold here and not brown at all. So after that I had to recolor it and it turned out to be the best. Once the color just faded away a little bit, it started looking better for me. It started fading, it started showing up very well. As you can see, the jet black has turned out to be brown and it is pretty nice in comparing to what I expected. Overall, I should say that the glossy hair tint is really good, and these are like no bleach, no ammonia at all. Definitely 4 out of 5 for me. I bought 3 of this packet and I have used 2 because I had long hair and thick hair, so I thought I would need 3, but definitely 2 is enough. This conditioner is really good. Like, my hair was so soft. So overall, I should say the Paradise collection is really good. I thought my hair would be damaged, but definitely not. It's not dried out as much as I thought. One of my friends said temporary colors are really bad for the hair, but I do not know, but I felt temporary is the best solution for me because I cannot commit my hair to have one particular color and then I'd be like okay with it. Long back in, I think it was in 2018 I think so, I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I had colored streaks way back and only on the tips, yeah, but it did not go well because my hair started drying up so badly. But in comparing to this is really good. It's not dried up that much. It is frizzy a little bit, yes, obviously, because hair does tend to be based on the weather and so on, but overall it's a good go. So like, share and comment, and if you have used a Paradise color before, do let me know in the comments. And if you've faced any issues, even that too mention, because if there is anyone out there who's trying to look out for a new color or they're trying out, they can know about it. Overall, thanks for watching.